best say omombra Facebook na omonfo any embe observe park na ye ba be di ho nkomo because and ye pese ye nya interactive discussion de me chawati as Eugene so ye best say wa utie no sa fano upon yourself na sa bra Facebook na for ni ebe hwe de ye ba be chire no
where that way park ya ye hwe dan school park community park ana dan
you bet me aka say a school and community park because a placed within the premises of a school.
Okay.
But the community so access it. Omutimi the year omutimi the gathering. Omutimi at the bobo the your friend of special no. Community ni use. So basically said there will be some no. A park is situated within the premises of a school. So definitely it's going to be for the school.
Okay. Checks how ye wo call hono and come out could di no. And one sem sign it because yan in tia say obi di anwa beguzi se park ne dia park ne fabi ne dia
absolutely
ti ehon sem ne te say bo men komo ne enko
Eugene Medasif BM one businessman bia why establish our France was back to Ghana enti ohwe efia esi ho ya
Yes, we
the man our established businessman in France.
Okay.
But is what reside in Ghana. Ni fie eno hono.
If you need park ni so ana.
If you need park no one pole goal post echi.
As any park ni so.
Any park.
So mutimi bobo ho ma ni.
Bobo.
Okay.
So if you need see what say no, omu use community omu use park no e de ye de ombe so omu ye bia.
Okay. If you no ma park
ni
any park ni problem bia any tracker bia mutimi bo mo boss na. Okay.
If you need see ho papa no so e to da kro timi gina wo hwe bi.
Okay. Otimi gina Obagana gina hebo no mo boni bi. Okay. But Nyankyerenease ni asem ni
Nyankyerenease kumasi
Nyankyerenease ase wo hin e bia no bi wo
Apatrapa.
Okay. Kwadaso side
hono.
Okay.
Under the Kwadaso constituency.
Okay. Yenko.
Eugene enti na bibi boni bia nsi.
Okay.
But the man I friend Mr. Buadu.
Okay.
Yes. Ena okohwe ne document mu. Okohwe ne document mu no Eugene the observe from the document be share the site plan allocation paper no. O chere say park here that way.
Okay.
Over 30 meters of the park. As
Mr. Body I can asem here if you fefe yes we new
me
okay. To aso
you what I say? It will have a document in him no. Not say over 30 meters. Park so. So or realize say a bread say e was say utimi eden nsaka na japade.
Okay.
Into offer the legal means and as a procedure into the first contact the assembly member at the Nyankyerenease into the video here. This is an interaction with the assembly member of Nyankyerenease. Assembly member,
okay.
Assembly woman. Into Mr. Bodu first call wabra who decided say obe demanding ne 30 meters no. The first place of call this woman ho.
Okay.
Which is the assembly woman. And they got two name. Say, indeed, the park is there. But on also documenter a claim say over 30 meters into the assembly woman ending the name together with officials from Lands Commission. Nanka omumbete omo 30 meters.
Every park
name. Not na zubesiri
ejano nche na maami di ma ya ke timitie maami ne voice na ke be me de pa
so I think the producers by you
best back start video ni maami na e hwese betimi ati maami no voice ne kakra na okay be me de pa ti eba
so I think the producers by you
best back start video ni maami na e hwese betimi ati maami no ye fa feed na Facebook ti no yes na e eba
so I think the producers by you
best back start video ni maami na e hwese betimi ati maami no ye fa feed na Facebook ti no yes na e eba
so I think the producers by you
best back start video ni maami na e hwese betimi ati maami no ye fa feed na Facebook ti no Yes, na I think
the producers
okay.
And I think they with time near more full documentary. Eugene, the honorable member, which is the woman or assembly member, no, Eka say, assembly dear, as in the sense that the community, taking on a lighter note, say, as an individual, say, I'm a man, no, a climu, ne 30 meters, no. Into also educate the community anim. The community opposed against the man's decision. Say 30 meters.
Okay.
Into man also a progressive feather. It will also call the MCE of Kwadaso constituency.
Assembly woman ho. MCE. Okay.
It's a drew MCE ho no not just say I was say obi abekanasem. The man insisted say per the documents e kura na there. 30 meters. And the community so no person much say 30 meters no when did he attain it? And they are claiming say this school park has been there over years. For any whoever is at stake, school for penny for aware say all these years park need the whole they know say the park belongs to the school. So then a fade who claim 30 meters. Eugene MC also answer as also twice called Sofoline Commander Office.
Police commander.
A
police commander the assassin no bem say.
Say Akoba say Chromophone was yes.
Okay.
Because at the point said the work no man no only the normal legal procedure no and also the authority at on also at the anwea egogugu park na so.
Obaye so adwuma.
So we claim 30.
So only obaye adwuma.
So you then the Sakoba any say omampene. So at the MC at the commander office it was resolved say omunyi anwea free so that the community will have access to the park. It me no can say anwea bia nguso de. But Eugene the woman say anwea free so based on these meetings with the MC and the Sofoline police commander. It me no can say CID there is a movement as I say movement no about the Drew menshia kotokofie
movement abem
like a Drew process say I was say the ba menshia kotokofie because people are claiming say
okay me nyama voice no be say me boka kra na etie said the ensem no siko enti no join live on Facebook
you perceive you if we say Mr. Entry na adwene say obetse ne hye a ewo party so wonu mu enyankuta ho na enkita ho no me yehu se ne enkita ho ne titi yo
medas etisa wo kwese da bi na one na ire eba me to oba me ho no beyi keepers kire me se ne de abedi school park wodi kire me na me hu ya me frɛ committee chairman e ma ne ba enti ho no and I'm a papa ne say me say park no any park aka okoma think am dey mesra ne say me odika to dey abeche me hu say ya jenu me dey say na be fa me me nim na nanom krata
hu secretary na jenu
Opemsuo education side plan and na wakoye nisi so otumfo people dey by say na me hu wa hye na bebre akoye nisi otumfo ho enti ho no me pidi ne say nka on tupa onya 30 feet na openo nenka on fa de ne nsaye de aka na menyina ho na on top the fence on fa park no echi na asumdwe na me ka bia wanti asenti wanti ase no ho na me call na hema aho edimi mi pipa no ono kura ka chem se wa man na hema bi ti me call na hema ansem na so na ne nsan kan ne de na me dimi mi de no e ma na hema se onyi na nasu ko hwe mu and no say that there so abafo na all can onim wo mu so muton asase ne man onim wo mu enu nti obetu ho anamo janamo otu ayetu ane se ode abo
enti no enu ye ma amene nso nche mu assembly woman okay na ze papa ndi anwa ko gusu so obetu na so obetu afa ne fie no
obetu afa de 30 meters nim
And I say the fear no a fear is your mochi. Then live on Facebook.
Seka one day ko bet me to no park nechi.
On also sit still now send 30 meters.
30 meters no so o measure beba closer to the center park.
Hey.
It's indirectly like say when you access
na ya assassin done there. Na say you come mo papa ne say ono 30 meters room. Ba park ne so that school compound and there GS for asem.
Yes.
It is update wo ho ne say.
The update ne say GS4 which is the education unit e kwada so. Omo my 1 week say almost so go through almost document claim ehunu the state of the document said the papa ne kan no cray and I say the all canon is for so baby adru no and said the mekan no empanyefo asom ohene yere a wo Nyankyerenease wadi asem nanim amasisi asem no aba menhia himfie so I think say ye behwe say empanyefo e be careful
mame enye
you the one say park here yehwi place abo pitch we so no so bia bokotokoda me currently be of good stars at the players we are producing a lot of players on my Premier League no na ye call no mantie no krum o say omuntwe ema papa no o hwe ba bia red flags bi sisi wo sign one ema papa no say papa no mistake na say ode one eba park ne so a de besi enti enye ize e wo kronim ti sia me no ka say ene na atense MC abam ana oba panyi o ye ohema o kromu no ana asom ana amana isa ba papa no MC mu ko MC yo no MC etukwan enti MC etukwan na ama asem no aye stand still but still na no papa no wahwehwa blocks egu akobe da obeto ne blocks enti na issue kese a wozisi ya mentemu wase kese pa na daso kromu a you need the emrante na you imagine say the next step abeba no
is there me pick free assembly the bisase hwan and a ton assassin
and also a very very important question we be
why na ton assassin ma papa no as a time our all ton assassin na man no na school park ne wo ho anase na eni ho e chiri ana park ne ba ya na
genuine question we be
me questions are me
that's the point community for those who really say this park has always been there since time in a memorial
entino why ene to asase no e ma papa na ene ni 30 meters no aba be school ni die enimi
and utie asamu woman no statement no making na according to no krata na wanya no papa no edibim say assassin ne dia so you look at it and who are you blaming right now because let's put ourselves into like papa no any shoes. Let's be let's play devil's advocate here. Say, Mabato Assassin. Because I said every year, no, one more character, I chess a media. Fast forward some years later, I bet Dane Parker, a damn Mofra, and a Malfo D agro.
I bet Dane school park. Yes.
Oh, would this agro. And to be called that one, Masala Siamatono, may see I do also penny MMC. How will we feel? So this boils down to how we plan our country. Because when now about planning, when you go elsewhere, the see baby one, they make sure they allocate a place area for pitch. But the kwame Nyankyerenease and Mozongo kwame, go to Mozongo. There be a lot of talent or Mozongo and my producer.